Welcome to the 2024 Spring and Summer Home Decor Trend Report from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. As the home decor market continues its ascent, with a projected growth of more than $200 billion in the next 3 years, retailers can capitalize on consumer desires and elevate their businesses to new heights. Pioneer's Spring Trend Report serves as your guide, summarizing insights to navigate this year and empowering you to tap into consumer aspirations and create designs that resonate with their evolving tastes. We know you're interested to know trending colors and materials, but we also look at sales trends, emerging patterns, and societal shifts to understand the consumer mentality. Together, let's harness the power of consumer desires and profit in the home decor space. Who is decorating? As the largest generation and the most fashionable, plus those with the ability to influence their parents, the second biggest population, millennials, ages 26 to 41, hold the buying power. However, this group also experienced world events that kept many from home ownership, making decor even more important as they settle into the spaces that they have. Why are they decorating? To create calm. We continue to see rooms fully devoted to meditation, reading, and general relaxation. Trending colors are also based in the color theory notions of warmth, calm, and mood. To express individuality. According to Home Furnishings Business, when asked what best describes your attitude toward decorating, the response, "must communicate who I am and reflect a sense of current style," jumped in the last 4 years. The survey also saw a reduction in practicality, with a number of respondents who thought home furnishing should be functional or comfortable declined. Decor this year is truly about emotion and expression. Consider too, with the housing market slowing, people aren't making decor choices to make their home a neutral selling ground. They are putting down roots and a reflection of their personality. Where are they decorating? Bathrooms have become the #1 most renovated part of the house, transcending their functional role to become havens of relaxation and personal expression. Homeowners are eager to elevate their bathrooms into spa-like retreats. Help clients put the finishing touches on a remodel or infuse a dose of luxury with flowers or a plant. The mantle has reclaimed its rightful place as a centerpiece of the living room, thanks to the spotlight cast upon it by home decor shows and real estate experts. Homeowners are now well-versed in the art of mantle styling, balancing scale and texture through a curated arrangement of decorative items. The desk. The science is in, and people are aware. Plants help us to be more productive. Homeowners are heeding this call to nature, incorporating lush greenery into their workspaces. The living room remains the welcoming space for guests, gatherings with loved ones, and creating memories. As a result, homeowners are incorporating cozy furnishings, plush textiles, and thoughtful decor accents to create an ambiance that instantly puts guests at ease. Trending purchases show consumers are ready for a refresh. What are they buying? The allure of artificial plants shows no sign of waning, as consumers continue to embrace their versatility and low-maintenance appeal. Internet searches for faux plants remain consistently high, indicating a growing preference for these evergreen additions to the home. Ceramic vases are also one of the top trending home decor products for 2023 to 2024. Whether displayed as standalone decorative pieces or filled with vibrant blooms, ceramic vases add a touch of sophistication to any room. The highest selling cut flower varieties in the USA are tulips, gerberas, and lilies. Don't miss the opportunity to capture a customer who gravitates towards these types of flowers, either real or faux. The case for floral decor. Flowers and plants offer a unique opportunity to introduce pops of color and personality into any space. Whether it's tone-on-tone arrangements that complement the existing color palette, or creating striking contrasts, flowers and plants craft the overall decor scheme. When it comes to home decor, wall color serves as a foundation for floral and plant accents. Paint companies meticulously research and forecast color trends through surveys and market insights, often selecting a color of the year to reflect the prevailing mood and aesthetic. For the past 3 years, these colors have consistently gravitated towards shades of blue, green, and neutrals with warm undertones. Flower and plant decor is the final layer on a consumer's freshly painted or furnished room. While the average top-to-bottom redecorating session happens every 3 to 5 years, on average, paint color, especially for younger demographics, has less of a commitment and may change more frequently. Spring and summer home decor colors. If we had to pick one word for 2024 trends, it would be color. All sources, experts, and sales point to the fact that consumers are ready to embrace a spectrum of bold shades in home decor. This shift signals a departure from the subdued, neutral tones that have dominated recent years, ushering in an era of self-expression through color. The specific colors that are set to make a splash in 2024 encompass a diverse spectrum, catering to a wide range of tastes and preferences. From energizing oranges to soothing blues and greens, the possibilities are endless. Here's a closer look at some of the key color trends to watch. The Stellar Collection. The magic of a starry night and the thrill of technology inspired this cosmic collection. Design monochromatic or analogous arrangements with blue flowers or inject a jolt of lime and purple for a cosmic accent. The Dream World Collection. Escape into an idealistic wonderland with pastel colors perfectly plucked from their peak season. Evoke a sense of lightness, airiness, and freshness with soft feminine colors and textures. The Kaleidoscope Collection. Named for the optical effect of seeing 2 or more reflections, these beautifully tinted flowers blend 2 colors, intriguing you to look closer, surprise and delight customers with cool-toned hues, texture-rich berries, and natural-touch greenery. The Apricot Crush Collection. Warm up a space with this on-trend shade. It complements everything from gray and beige to blue and green. Pair with natural pottery or chic metallic containers to match any home decorating style. Make decorating fun for your customers by showing on-trend flowers and plants. A good mix of calculations and trend risk-taking is vital to your success. Our Spring Trend Report is just the beginning of our comprehensive support system. We're committed to providing you inspiration photos, informative videos, and ongoing blogs and newsletters to ensure you stay ahead of the curve and capture your share of the market.